Tech Hub is happy to bring to you a quick fix for the no video with flashing color problems. This is a common issue with the Dell Latitude 5410, 5420, and so on. It's very simple. With patience and dedication, you'll get it done. Alright, here we go. These troubleshooting steps are just going to do a hard reset into your motherboard. So what you're going to do is press and hold down the power button until you see the color codes appear on the screen. And keep pressing it down and the system will reboot itself several times. This may take a few. Just wait. This may take a few, so we're going to speed it up a few until you see a black screen. That's the way you know it's rebooting. If your finger hurts, let go of the power button for like 20 seconds or so, then get right back to pressing and holding down the power button. The restarting with color code process will repeat several times. As soon as you see a Dell logo, go ahead and release the power button. You may have to set the date and time by going up to the BIOS settings, then saving and restarting your PC. Once that's all done, you should be back in the Windows sign-in screen, or straight to the desktop if you don't have a password. And you may enjoy. Please come back again for more solutions and quick fixes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.